got a few K-beauty products from this website, but a couple of these are from Japan. These two mascaras are from Japan. The rest of them are all K-beauty brands. Let's open them one by one. This one is a perfect day makeup fixer. This is too cool for school. I've been loving this brand because their products not only really well made and really good makeup, and also the price point is very cheap. So this is the first time I bought this makeup setting spray. I've got that powder and the contour powder. I'm really impressed with the product, and so I'll try this and I'll let you know. The next one is Pony Effect. So Pony, everyone knows Pony. She is the goddess of all makeup artists, in my heart anyway, and she's so pretty and creative. I loved her makeup and everything, her tutorials. I enjoyed it so much of her videos. So this is a correcting primer. It's a base primer. It has a blue tint, so this would correct the skin tone and use it before foundation. But this one is a repeat purchase, and this is just a base, and also this one has SPF 50 PA++++, 4 classes, and I've been loving this. And this one has it's a pump, not like that one, just a squeezy, and this is a pump. It's really hygienic. I've used a couple of these before, and then so this is my third top up, and it lasts forever. And this is about 50 grams. A couple of little fingertip sponges, mainly for the eye area. I want to try these because it's all over the internet, and I'm thinking, oh, maybe this is a good tool to apply either primer or concealer around the eye area, or especially under eye. This is a Kiss Me mascara. I've been using this for more than 10 years. Every time when I go to Japan, I buy 3 or 4. It will last me for a while, and then so for this time, since I've been placing an order, so I just get these. These mascaras are so good that they're waterproof, and even though you go into the hot spring onsen, after 20 minutes after the onsen, with all the steam and heat and everything, your mascara stays on. So this is like super good. This one just different. This one is for lengthening and volumizing, so I just use them, doubling them up. Next is called Beauty of Joseon. It's called a Revive Eye Serum. It's ginseng and retinol. I've bought this, the same one, months ago, and I really love it. Oh, this one is a little pump. The cream is have a yellow tint. Really good product, very cheap. It's about just over £10. This is a 3CE Cheer liquid blusher. I've been lately into liquid blushers, so I've bought a few and to try them out. And then this one is called Joyful Affair. It smells quite well. So you can see that on the back of my hand I have no foundation, just added the primer applied earlier. It's good for oriental skin tone. Next one is also from 3CE. I've been loving their eyeshadow, and this one is called Dear Nude. I just want to have some nudish makeup. This one is really good, and this one is a whole palette. It's all mattified. There's no shimmering eyeshadow at all, so it's all you can see. They're just very neutral, earthy tones, and probably this would be the best to do a no makeup for day-to-day makeup. Next one is called a TikTok Tint Lip Cashmere, and it's called a Meme. It's like a pen, and you just basically pull the cap off, and there's a little spongy top, there's a top over there, you can just push it down to release the color. And so this is a very autumn, sort of like rusty red tone, which is really excellent for autumn. And I think I will use this quite a lot, maybe, to be honest, if I can find it, maybe in London in the Korean supermarket or Korean cosmetic shop in Chinatown. I might go to search for another one, because I've just tried it on my lips and the color is really, really pretty. It's subtle but very, very pretty. The next one is a eyeshadow palette from Too Cool for School, and it's called Too Cool for School Art Class Color Director #2 Rosy Love. It's a paper sleeve and to hold the palette together. All packaging made with paper, and these characters and the words and letters and everything is kind of like slightly raised when you touch it. So just a lid mirror there. The color palette is there's a couple of blushes, and then there's this earthy tones, like very, very nudish, and I think they can be complement each other. This one is like got a reddish tone, and also this one got 4 shimmering colors. So this one is like a slightly pinkish, this one is more gold, this one got really, really big shimmer, and this one is really, really pink. If I try a little bit, this one is not very easy to, oh my god. You see, there's a decent amount of shimmering. Oh wow, the bigger shimmer is so shining. And then the blusher is it's very, very natural. So that's it. This is all the products that I've got from this K-Beauty haul. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely weekend. See you soon. Bye. Hope you liked today's unboxing, and please subscribe to my channel, give my video a like, and have a lovely weekend. See you soon. Bye.